Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we are going to learn and write 50 important homophones in English. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning or in spelling. There may be a possibility that both the words may spell the same, may pronounce the same, but their meaning are way different from each other. Homophones that are spelled the same are both homographs and homonyms. And homophones that are spelled differently are also called heterographs. Now let's get started. First word is A-I-S-L-E, Isle. Isle means the passageway. Its homophone is I-S-L-E, Isle. It means a small island. Next word is A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed. Allowed means permitted to do something. Its homophone is A-L-O-U-D, allowed. Allowed means to speak loudly or spoken loudly. Next word is B-A-R-E, bear. Bear means naked. Its homophone is B-E-A-R, bear. Bear is the name of an animal. Next word is B-E-A-T, beat. Beat means to strike. Its homophone is B-E-E-T, beet. Beet is the name of a vegetable. Next word is B-L-U-E, blue. Blue is a type of color. Its homophone is B-L-E-W, blue. Blue means the past tense of blow. Next word is B-O-A-R-D, board. Board means a wooden plank. Its homophone is B-O-R-A-D, board. Bored means uninterested. Next word is B-R-E-A-K, break. Break means to shatter. Its homophone is B-R-A-K-E, break. Brake means something that is applied to stop a vehicle. Next word is B-U-Y, buy. Buy means to purchase. Its homophone is B-Y, buy. B-Y, buy means near or through. Next word is C-E-L-L, cell. Cell means a small room. Its homophone is S-E-L-L, cell. S-E-L-L, cell means to exchange for money. Next word is C-E-N-T, cent. C-E-N-T, cent means 1/100th of a dollar. Its homophone is S-C-E-N-T, cent. Scent means smell. Next word is C-E-N-T, cent, that we learned earlier, 1/100th of a dollar. Its another homophone is S-E-N-T, cent. Cent means dispatched. Next word is D-E-A-R, dear. Dear means loved one. Its homophone is D-E-E-R, deer. Deer is the name of an animal. Next word is D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Desert means arid land. Its homophone is D-E-S-S-E-R-T, desert. This desert means sweet dish. Next word is D-I-E, die. D-I-E, die means death or to stop living. Its homophone is D-Y-E, dye. D-Y-E, dye means to color. Next word is F-L-O-U-R, flour. It means the powdered grain. Its homophone is F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Flower means the plant blossom. Next word is F-O-U-L, fowl. Fowl means wrong. Its homophone is F-O-W-L, fowl. It means bird. Next word is H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair means a protein filament that grows from the follicles found in the dermis of your head. Its homophone is H-A-R-E, hare. That means rabbit. Next word is H-E-A-L, heel. This means to make better. Its homophone is H-E-E-L, heel. That is the part of the foot. Next word is H-E-A-R, hear. Hear means to listen. Its homophone is H-E-R-E, hear. H-E-R-E, hear means in this place. Next word is H-O-L-E, hole. Hole is an opening or discontinuation in a surface. Its homophone is H-W. Its homophone is W-H-O-L-E, whole. That means entire. Next word is H-O-U-R, hour. Hour means 60 minutes. Its homophone is O-U-R, hour. That means belonging to us. Next word is K-N-I-G-H-T, knight. Knight means the medieval soldiers. Its homophone is N-I-G-H-T, night. Night means the opposite of day. Next word is K-N-O-W, know. K-N-O-W, know means to be aware. Its homophone is N-O, know. That means the negative response. Next word is M-A-I-L, mail. Mail means letters. Its homophone is M-A-L-E, male, meaning a boy or man. Next word is M-E-A-T, meat. Meat means the animal's flesh. Its homophone is M-E-E-T, meat. It means to encounter somebody or someone. Next word is M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Morning means the early day. Its homophone is M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G, morning. That means grieving. Next word is O-N-A, one. That means number one. Its homophone is W-O-N, one. This is the past tense of win. Next word is P-A-I-R, pair. That means couple. Its homophone is P-E-A-R, pear. That is the name of a fruit. Next word is P-A-I-R, pair, means the couple. Its homophone is P-A-R-E, pair. That is to trim. Next word is P-E-A-C-E, peace. That means calm. Its homophone is P-I-E-C-E, peace. That means portion. Next word is P-L-A-I-N, plain, meaning simple. Its homophone is P-L-A-N-E, plane. That means aircraft. Next word is P-R-A-Y, pray. P-R-A-Y, pray means to request. Its homophone is P-R-E-Y, prey. That means the animal that is supposed to be hunted. Next word is P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal. Principal is the head of the school. Its homophone is P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principle. Principle is the fundamental truth. Next word is R-I-G-S-T, right. R-I-G-S-T, right means correct. Its homophone is W-R-I-T-E, right. That means to form letters. Next word is R-I-G-H-T, right, meaning correct. Its homophone is R-I-T-E, right. That means ceremony. Next word is R-O-A-D, road. Road means street. Its homophone is R-O-D-E, road. R-O-D-E, road is the past tense of ride. Next word is R-O-L-E, roll. R-O-L-E, roll means character. Its homophone is R-O-L-L, roll. That means cylinder shape or bread. Next word is S-C-E-N-E, scene. Scene is the part of a play. Its homophone is S-E-E-N, scene. That is the past participle of the word see. Next word is S-E-A-C. Sea means ocean. Its homophone is S-E-E-C, that is to observe. Next word is S-O, so. S-O, so means therefore. Its homophone is S-E-W, so. That means to stitch. Next word is S-O, so, meaning therefore. Its homophone is S-O-W, so. That means to plant seeds. Next word is S-O-L-E, sole. It means the bottom of your foot. Its homophone is S-O-U-L, soul. That means spirit. Next word is S-O-N, sun. Sun means male child. Its homophone is S-U-N, sun. Sun is a star in the sky. Next word is S-T-A-I-R, stair. Stair means the steps. Its homophone is S-T-A-R-E, stare. That means to look someone continuously. Next word is S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, stationary. Stationary means an object that is not moving. Its homophone is S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y, stationary. That means the writing materials. There is only difference of that in the previous word there was, and the other word it was E. Next word is S-T-E-A-K, stake. It means meat cut. Its homophone is S-T-A-K-E, stake. That means the wooden post. Next word is S-U-I-T-E, suite. It means the set of rooms. Its homophone is S-W-E-E-T, sweet. That means sugary. Next word is T-A-I-L, tail. T-A-I-L, tail means the rear part of an animal. Its homophone is T-A-L-E, tail, means story. Next word is T-H-E-I-R, there. T-H-E-I-R, there means belonging to them, while its homophone is T-H-E-R-E, there means place. Next word is T-H-E-I-R, there, that means belonging to them. Its homophone is T-H-E-Y, they, apostrophe R-E, they are. Next word is T-O-2. It's a preposition. Its homophone is T-O-O-2. That means also. Next word is T-O-2, which is a preposition. Its homophone is T-W-O-2. That means number 2. Next word is V-A-I-N, vein. That means conceited. Its homophone is V-E-I-N, vein. That is blood vessel. Next word is V-A-I-N, vein, means conceited. Its homophone is V-A-N-E, vein. That means weather device. Next word is W-E-A-K, weak. Weak means somebody or something that is not strong. Its homophone is W-E-E-K, week. That means the combination of 7 days. Next word is W-E-A-R, wear. Wear means clothing. Its homophone is W-H-E-R-E, wear. That means somebody is asking about a place. Next word is W-I-T-C-H, witch. Witch means a magical person. Its homophone is W-H-I-C-H, which, that is a question word.